cheesy. It's good.
Yeah. These greens they're funky. They're good.
They're funky?
They're funky. I can fuck with them. Look, got a little bit of heat. Got a little bit of heat on the back end. Drove a little bit warm.
You weren't ready for it.
No. I was okay. I wasn't ready. I was expecting that spice, but...
The macaroni is a little buttery.
Buttery.
I like it.
That's good. I found that to be an attractive quality in my mac and cheese.
Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna try the yams, the candied yams.
Okay. That was good.
Bomb.
Bomb.
I really like it. I really like it.
Wow.
I haven't had candy yams in so long.
Wow.
But it's like very, you can taste the cinnamon, sweet. It's good and it's juicy. It's soft. Real good.
Looks juicy. Looks good. Looks very good.
How's the mac and cheese to you?
Mac and cheese is good. I'm gonna get a little bite so I can give you an assessment.
I think I might need some pepper for mine.
Yeah, I was gonna say I need some salt for the collard greens here. And mac and cheese is good. I ain't getting that butteriness that you're taking.
It didn't taste buttery to you?
No, I am.
Oh, okay. Yeah. More buttery than cheesy.
Yeah, but there is some cheese there.
There's some cheese. I can see it,
now.
but to me, it's more buttery than cheesy.
I think it might need a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt.
Yeah.
And bring it home.
Yeah. I can understand why they didn't put it on it, because not everybody's the same.
Yeah. But what I like to do is I like to get the combo. And so what I'll do is I'll get the mac, and then I'll top and the fork with the collard greens, so it's like a mashup.
A little mix.
A little melody in my mouth. I enjoy it. My taste buds is great. Everyone, you know,
Sides is on point.
Sides are good.
Sides are on point.
I need to try this cornbread too, honestly, because cornbread is...
It looks good. It looks jiffy though.
It looks jiffy.
So let me know if it's sweet.